Have you ever met yourself in the mirror like you were greeting someone sacred? Well, let me show you how to do it, sacred one. Get ready to shake that booty, cutie, and try this. Find a quiet little spot, stand before your mirror, and look softly into your own beautiful eyes. Not to judge, not to fix, just to witness. Then press play on a song that feels like sunlight for your soul. Let your body move however it wants. Sway like waves of grass. Twirl like leaves cartwheeling through the wind. Rock your body side to side. Flow, flirt, smile, cry, breathe, play. There are no wrong paths to the rediscovery of your true self. Now, while you move, speak gently to your reflection and say, I am worthy. I am safe to love. I am love. I am still evolving. I am enough just as I am. Let those words land like warm rain on places that got a little too used to drought. And if your inner critic shows up, don't panic, baby. That doesn't mean the ritual failed. It means you found the doorway. Thank that voice for trying to protect you, then keep dancing anyway. Because this isn't about performative confidence. It's about practicing kindness in your own presence. Music can help shift emotion. Movement can help the body release and reconnect. Loving self-talk can help us heal from misplaced shame left by past trauma and abuse. Put all these steps together, and suddenly, this tiny ritual becomes a soul homecoming. So tell me, my treasures, when you danced with your reflection, what did your mirror self want you to remember? What did you learn?